Hi, Bianca. Let's see here. Get your piece. Okay, so I thought that this was pretty creative. I like all the colors. However, there's some issues with consistency and readability. So number one, I already mentioned this before, but you want to align all these headers. So go to Illustrator, InDesign, go to Window, and choose the Align tool. Select these, hold Shift to select more than one, and then choose the Align Tops tool. That'll make it look tight. Consider brightening the phone. It looks a little dark, especially when you pair it next to some vector shapes. And then reconsider the body copy. Condensed type is usually meant for small little things like headlines or labels or something to emphasize. It's hard to read in paragraph form. It's even harder in this context. I might have said this already, break apart big paragraphs for easier reading. You know, you've got a lot of real estate, so there's no reason to shove it all up in there. I would move it away from the headline a little bit so that there's easier space, easier way to take it in. Like for some reason right here with activation, it clashes a little bit. Then you want to be consistent with spacing, so you can see here with messages, it looks like it's about 2 centimeters away from the fold line. And then over here, it's quite a bit more. Over here, it's different. Over here, it's different. Over here, it's very different. Do you see what I mean? So do things like that to work on consistency. If you run out of space, which it looks like this was a solution to just sort of jam it in there, just make more pages, And there's another widow you were asking about. All right, let me know if you have any questions.